What's up, people? So today we're going to be checking out the Tonor T90, a heavy duty boom arm for mics up to 4 pounds in weight. So let's go ahead and check it out. Before we get started, I want to thank Tonor for sending this out for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. Now this mic arm is different from any mic arm that I've seen because of course it has the RGBs, but it is extra heavy duty. Now I use this mic. This is the heaviest mic I can find, and this boom arm has no problems holding the weight. Again, they say this can hold up to 4 pounds. I don't know what mic is 4 pounds, but if you have one, this will be able to hold it. Now, as you can look at the design, it has the RGB strips on the base and the top arm on both sides here. You even have the Tonor logo here that is also having the RGBs. Now, if you flip it to the other side of the boom arm, you have what looks like the same logo that's on this side, but on this side, you can see it has this little circle logo on it. And that's because this side is actually a capacitive touch button. So what you can do with this is you can touch it to change the colors, as you can see here. I think that looks really good. Now, as far as what comes in the box, it basically comes with just the arm itself, your USB-C to USB-A cable, and the desk mount. This also has like a nice cable management system set up. So as you can see, this top place can slide off, and it gives you access to the underneath. Now I'm using the actual mic cable with this, which fits no problem. So you know, if you were using a USB mic, then you would definitely not have any issues with fitting wires through here. I probably can fit about at least 2 of these XLR cables through. So if you had a mic that took XLR and USB, you'll be able to fish this through no problem. Now, if you look on this back side, I'm going to take the back plate off and show you where the actual USB plugs in. Now the USB plugs in from here, and you can plug this into your computer, or you can just plug it in to a wall if you have, or any type of USB adapter that you have. There's no functional reason that this needs to be plugged into the computer. Now, one thing that I wish they did add to this, if I was to have a USB mic, I would have to plug in 2 different USBs into the computer. So what would be nice if they had an adapter where I could plug the mic. Let's say right here would be a nice spot, which I thought this was, but it's not. If I had like a short USB cable from the mic to somewhere in here to plug in, then I wouldn't have to run a whole second cable through the cable management into the computer, and it also wouldn't take up a second USB slot on my computer. So something Tonor maybe can add in the next iteration. Now the hinges are really tight. Now I don't know if this is because it's new and it's just not broken in yet, but the hinges are really tight, and I guess that's going to be needed if you're going to be holding 4 pounds of microphone equipment on this boom arm. But again, whatever size mic you have, you will have no issues with this boom arm holding it. Very sturdy. So I'm curious to see what y'all think about this mic stand. Again, I want to thank Tonor for sending this out for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. Now, if you have any other questions about this mic stand, definitely don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get to them. So again, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.